For this video, we are comparing Invideo and Adobe Premiere Pro, two well-regarded video editing platforms. So if you want powerful video tools that are easy to use, Invideo is a top pick. But let's go over the differences to help you decide which one's the right for you. And let's start with Invideo. So Invideo has this text to video feature, which is perfect for turning blog posts, scripts, or even articles into video content quickly. It also has a massive media stock library that includes over 1 million assets from videos, images, up to the music tracks, allowing you to create polished videos without additional subscriptions or resources. It also has user-friendly customization. It provides an easy-to-navigate editor with customizable fonts, colors, overlays, and animations to match your brand style. Also here in InVideo, it lets you export your videos in HD. So you have a 4K option right here, but you need to have a paid plan for you to be able to access this option. And it has social media friendly aspect ratios. So InVideo lets you create content ready for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and also Facebook. And it also allows real-time collaboration tools. So this is best to collaborate with your team, allowing multiple people to work on the same project in real time, which is a huge plus for businesses and agencies. Now, to summarize the pros of InVideo, it has easy to use text to video quick content creation. It has large stock media options included at no extra cost, and it has customizable design for brand consistency. It also allows you to export your videos or projects in HD with optimized aspect ratios for social platforms. Also has collaboration features for team projects. Now for the cons of this one, it has limited advanced editing tools like color grading, and some premium features are behind paywall. So these are the plans that you can get here in InVideo. Next up is Adobe Premiere Pro, a leading software in professional video editing with high-end features. So for the first feature, it has advanced editing controls. So Premiere Pro is known for its detailed editing capabilities, including keyframing, multicam editing, and motion graphics integration. This level of control is perfect for those looking to create complex and also layered edits. So it has powerful color grading tools, including the Lumetri Color Panel, which allows editors to fine-tune visuals for a cinematic look. It also allows you to edit audio controls or to edit your audios and has effects integration, so it supports advanced audio controls, including multi-track editing and integration with Adobe Audition for high-quality sound. It also has a Creative Cloud integration, so Adobe's Creative Cloud suite lets you seamlessly transfer projects between other Adobe software like After Effects and Photoshop, giving you more creative flexibility. It also has flexible export options. So Premiere Pro allows for a range of export settings including 4K and even 8K resolution, and it offers full control over file size, format, and also bitrate. So for the pros of Adobe Premiere Pro, it has again advanced editing features for precise control, high-end color grading and correction tools, integrates with Adobe Creative Cloud for maximum flexibility and robust export settings for any type of project. And it is suited for professionals needing full control over visuals and audio. Now, for the cons of Premiere Pro, it has steeper learning curve for beginners because of its complex editing features, and it requires a high performance computer for smooth editing, and subscriptions model can be costly for casual users. So which one is the best for your project? So InVideo is overall ideal if you want a fast accessible platform that delivers professional looking results without the need for complex editing skills. It is great for social media content, marketing videos, and brand focused videos with ease. Now for the Adobe Premiere Pro, this is best for advanced editors who need detailed control and full creative flexibility, including complex edits, special effects, and high-end color correction. Both tools offer unique benefits, but if you're looking for a streamlined and powerful creation experience, InVideo is an excellent choice. And you can sign up for a free InVideo account with the link below to see how it can work for your projects. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. See you in the next one, and have a great day.